Guys, you all are invited to my dinner table. Bon appetit, guys. Your Malaysia. Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome back to Eji's Kitchen. Guys, how are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great, guys. As you can see, I'm about to cook. So, guys, here is my chicken, guys. I'm just going to be seasoning this chicken. And guys, if today is your first time of coming to Eji's channel, you are highly welcome. And please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that each time I upload a video, you always be the first to get notifications. And to all my returning wonderful subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for always coming to AG. So guys, let's get into this recipe. I'm going to be making groundnut soup, guys. Yes, you heard me right, groundnut soup. So guys, here is my strong chicken. I'm going to be, it's cleaned, it's in my pot already. I'm going to be adding some salt, little bit of salt, and I'm going to be adding my seasoning, as you all know, my herbal seasoning. So I'm just going to also add this onion and clean the peppers. I'm going to boil them all together. I'm going to remove that peppers, going to blend it with the onions later, but right now I'm going to put this on my stove. As you can see, I have my peanuts here. Is well, you can see I just removed the shell. So I'm going to be grinding this, and guys, before I start grinding, let me put my chicken on the fire, because you guys know strong chicken is very hard and tough. So for it to be tender, we need to cook very long. So guys, keep watching. So guys, as I go along, I'll be showing you other things. Peanut soup or groundnut soup doesn't really need much. Your chicken or your beef or your fish, I'm going to be adding fish. So guys, keep watching. So these are the startup I'm going to be using right now. So guys, keep watching. As you can see, my pot is cooking beautifully well. Let me open it for you guys to see. Aromalicious, guys. So I'm going to remove the peppers. I'm going to grind it now. Grinding it with bonga fish. I removed the dirt, and here is a crayfish. So guys, keep watching to see the outcome of this delicious groundnut soup, guys. So guys, as you can see, the pot is cooking beautifully well, and I'm going to be adding palm oil into this. A bit of it, not too much. I'm just going to cover it to let the palm oil cook with the chicken. Okay, so guys, keep watching. This time I'm going to be adding my blended pepper, onions, and crayfish, and some pieces of bonga fish. Here is it. Okay. So I'm going to add water into this because I don't want my groundnut soup to be too thick. So I'm still going to add water, then I will allow this to cook. So guys, keep watching, don't go nowhere. To be adding water, then I will allow this to cook. So guys, keep watching. This time I'm going to be adding my washed smoked fish, as you can see. So I'm going to be adding that into my pot. Then I will give it a stir. this is my grinded peanuts. I grinded it with my local mortar. See, I added water to grind it so that it is smooth, not too smooth. So I'll be adding this later, so guys keep watching. As you can see, my soup is cooking amazingly delicious. Guys, this place smells so good. And guys, peanut soup doesn't really need much power because guys, you know, peanut is sweet, and when you are using strong chicken and dry fish and you know, dry fish like bonga, you know, with blended crayfish, guys, you are just good to go. No need for too much. Even you don't need to add anything for peanut soup, guys. So guys, keep watching, and I'm going to be, you can see my blended groundnut, and guys, I'm going to be adding my fresh fish. As you can see, I already cleaned this fish and I sauteed it. So guys, keep watching to see the outcome of this recipe. This fish, sese, and red fish, lady fish. So guys, keep watching. So guys, you have to stir it really well so that there's no lumps. You need to stir it very well. We don't want lumps. Just like so. Guys, this place smells so good. You know, granules, it has that yummy delicious smell. Guys, here is aromalicious, delicious and tastelicious, guys. So guys, this is why I did not add my fresh fish, because I don't want it to break inside. When this is thoroughly stirred and the granite is dissolved, I will add my fish into the pot. So guys, keep watching. See? To thoroughly dissolve it. Thoroughly dissolve that. I'm going to clean my mortar using salted granules. It's better while cooking your meat, you just put a pinch of salt into your meat, because when granule soup is over salted, any soup is over salted, you cannot eat it. So it's better you know, you watch your salt while making peanut soup or granule soup, because when you are using salt now, you give it a quick stir and you just leave it to cook. Guys, peanut soup, you can actually use bitter leaf, but I don't want leaf in this one. You can use bitter leaf, you can use any you can also use utezi or uziza leaves as well, if they're not so much. But right now I don't want leaf in my granule soup. So guys, keep watching. So guys, this soup, I'm going to be downloading it with pounded yam, homemade pounded yam, guys. So guys, keep watching. Little bit, then stir it again. So guys, you can never go wrong with peanut soup. You can use this for pounded yam, guys. You can use it for starch, you can use it for fufu, any swallow of your choice, and rice, guys. rice. Oh my god, this is delicious, guys. I wish I have Akpu. I would have downloaded it with Akpu. That is that fufu with that, you know, that smell of fufu, that smell of Akpu. That is the type of fufu I would have loved to eat with this soup. But right now, since I don't have, I'm boiling my yam here, so I'm going to be using the local mortar I used to pound my yam. Sorry I didn't show you the cooked yam. We all know how yam look like. So this is how I pound my yam, since I'm not, you know, I don't have mortar here. So this is very good, and it is good as mortar. Fufu. This is my pounded yam, guys. So guys, keep watching to see the finished look of my pounded yam. It's already dark here, and you can see my soup is simmering away. This is the consistency I want. This is light soup, light peanut soup. This is how I want it, guys. So guys, when it is cold, it thickens up. That is peanut for you. So when it is cold, it is thickened. So this is how the consistency I like it, guys. And guys, see, I'm dishing my soup already. So guys, keep watching. Guys, here is the finished outcome of my groundnut soup and pounded yam, guys. If you haven't supported AG, what are you waiting for? Please hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon, so that each time I upload a video, you always be the first to get notifications. And to all my returning wonderful subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for always watching AG. See you all in my next video, guys. Bon appetit, guys. Bon appetit. Bless this food in Jesus' name. Amen. Ooh, la la, guys. Authentic. This is the next 2 days after I cook my peanut soup. I'm just going to jazz it up with parsley. As you can see, I have my parsley here, so I'm just going to jazz it up, because you can actually jazz it up. You can add century, basil, water. This is the groundnut soup, so I'm just going to add my petersilia to make it more poppy. As you can see, I'm adding the petersilia. That is parsley, guys. This will just take the soup to a whole new dimension. You know, for more healthiness, you just split this into it. For more healthiness, guys, we need to add more greens to our food. So guys, this is the next 2 days. You can actually pimp your soup anyhow you want it. You can add center leaf, you can add bitter leaf, fresh bitter leaf, small. This is the finished outcome of my soup, my groundnut soup, guys. This is the outcome. So guys, enjoy.